We're at Slick Rick's house, putting the motor in his factory stock.
Come on, boy. Hey, why don't you tell the straw man to get back here?
Oh! Let it down some.
Let it down slow. Slow or fast?
Slow. Okay, you put up your
Uh-huh.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Dan Ray said I'm always in his face.
Alright, easy.
Come back just here.
Back.
Let down slowly. Alright, here.
Look at that stance he's got.
Alright,
Come down.
come down. What are we hitting back there? Hang on. Alright, come with it. Come down.
Come down.
Alright, alright, slow.
Put it shit or let it down.
Let down.
Don't break it. This is one of those cheated up motors.
I got nothing
Alright, hang on.
cheated up.
You know, we took the legal motor out.
Alright.
Let it down.
We had the legal motor in, then we looked on Facebook and everybody was getting brand new factory stock. So now we can't afford the brand new factory stock, so we gotta put a cheater motor in it.
Come down.
Push, boy.
Alright, up. Go back.
Come up with it.
Yeah, come up just a little bit, Katie.
Alright.
Struggling.
What are you doing, boy? Can't even get the head in here.
Help him, Dan. If you're new to our channel, this is Danny. That's Lil Slick. This is Daddy Slick.
Daddy Slick.
That's Slick Rick.
Cutting that out. Cut.
I'm the driver that wins all the time.
Something like that.
Hit tractor tires. Feel like driving.
Danny, the one that goes up.
No.
Yeah.
He takes infield tractor tire to another level.
He bought somebody's car, the Shane train. We gotta take that off.
No, we ain't taking that off.
We gotta put the Slick train on it.
No, we leave the Shane train.
Sounds like we'll carry over here now. Now leave that dude's hazard on there.
Yeah. This is our shop dog.
Stop rat.
Don't mind the mess.
Yeah, ain't that messy.
Yeah.
Leave Slick Rick by himself.
This is how winners are born.
Or
I don't know. Just to record what I said. Let me get in here and record. This is what our fans want to see.
Fans.
Yeah, we got 219 subscribers.
Oh, yeah. We famous now.
Oh yeah, we are famous. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi to YouTube.
what's up?
Say hi to our 219 subscribers.
Hello, 219 subscribers.
Get back on Slick Rick.
Can you help?
No.
We're making you famous.
Oh, we got it now.
Not really, but oh well. So tell us what you got here. I don't know.
You got a piece of junk.
Oh man, the lights went out. Quit, Danny. They can't see if the lights go out.
Get this crazy shit over here, bro.
The kid's ready to go racing. You ready to go racing, kid? Told you, he's ready to go.
So stupid.
If we said load up right now, we're going racing, he'd be the first one in the truck.
Yeah.
You gonna be in the race car? You gonna be waiting?
Oh yeah, in the race car. Yeah, there's his helmet and his gloves. He's ready to go.
What?
This is a ratchet chassis, if you can see. It matches the ratchet chassis. We got it all matching here. This is Did you get through cutting wood today?
Yeah.
Is that right? Hey, yeah, but this is our big old 604 crank motor. This kid, I don't know what kind of motor this is, but here it is.
One of them cheating motors.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, one of them cheap motors probably don't
Have
start.
nothing cheap.
Cheated up. So whoever finished,
That's what they all
so
say.
if you race with him, if you finish second, I'd recommend tearing him down. I'll pay for it. Ah, quick, get that out of here. Block, cut.
Child friendly. Family friendly. Something like that.
No, I'm just kidding. It's not cheating. Is it?
Wink.
That's for, hey, he says for y'all to find out, so turn him down. It'll be alright. Nobody watches this that we race with. They won't never know. Right, Dan?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Let's get to work. I got time to be standing around. Yeah.
Well, I know us three put this motor in while you sat over there.
Yeah, I'm sitting over here trying not to fall in oil while you're sitting over there just looking at your little camera.
No.
GoPro, whatever the difference is.
I'm actually the one who built this motor.
Me?
I built it.
No, I started from scratch. I welded the steel
If it-
together, everything. I shaped it.
If you win in this motor, I built it. But if you blow up, I didn't
Who
build it.
texting, Dave?
It's already won.
They'll get their $10.
I know.
Here's another factory stop. Well, soon to be.
I'm broke.
Here's Danny working. Got the headers on. Almost. Get it, boy? Alright, nice and clean.
Taking the paint off that beat. Oh.
Yeah, you didn't say. You didn't. Cut. Come on. Your parents are watching. Don't cuss.
Sorry, Dad. Next thing you know, they're gonna be like, well, they tossed that carburetor, tear them down.
What? What's he saying?
They're gonna think we're...
This kid does not. This kid right here doesn't make no
Oh.
sense. What? Oh, the wheel fell. Pick it up. It's down there on a clean floor.
Just water.
Yeah, a little water ain't never hurt nobody. The wheel came off. Danny's getting her though. So we can put the water pump on. So when can the fans expect you to run this car?
Next year.
Next year? He said he wouldn't run it until it gets warm outside because he don't want to be cold. His old bones don't like the cold.
I don't blame them.
They really don't. Who you calling old?
I guess you, Slick Rick, Dirty Rick. All right, bud. I think she's good.
No.
I think she's good. You keep drilling on any more, there ain't gonna be no motor left.
There's still stuff on it.
It's good. Move to the next one.
What next one? How many's it got?
One over beside you.
You gotta have it smooth.
It's smooth.
Yeah, he likes them smooth.
The smoother, the more power.
More power? Okay.
Tell them, Travis.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Kid's working hard.
Probably should be wearing safety glasses. They'd be alright.
Yeah, it'll be alright. It's good.
You got it as smooth as a waxed.
Cut.
Yeah, make it look good, Travis.
Alright, come on. Yeah, look, this one covered
Make it
up.
look like a brand new motor.
It is a brand new motor. See, look, it ain't got no stuff coming out the side here.
Brand new motor, my ass.
Got it from the junkyard.
3-year-old motor.
Is it?
Yep.
Well, that's brand new to us.
She wore out. You tie a rope around the crank pulley right there and pull start it.
Oh. So no starter needed.
No.
Starters cost too much. And more weight.
Mm-hmm.
Slow you down. This is how I guess you do it. Nice, kid. Nice. You doing good. Alright, Dan Ray's got her. Dan Ray's got her nice and cleaned up here.
You got the motor in?
We got the motor in old Slick Rick's factory stock.
What?
Is that right?
The old ratchet chassis. It's a... What year was it?
Racing, huh?
It's probably a 1995 ratchet chassis.
Well, I don't know.
Danny got his hands dirty.
I know.
Poor kid.
What are you supposed to see here?
Well, I guess we ain't gonna get started up tonight, but they'll get started one day.
Are you hungry?
No, I ain't
Yeah,
hungry.
You hungry?
You hungry, Dan?
You cooking or something?
Alright, we got the old
I cooked something.
Yeah, go.
motor in there. Oh, old Faithful. Old Faithful here.
Old ratchet.
We got the old Faithful and the old ratchet chassis. We gotta take the Shane train off. We ain't Shane train. We Slick Rick. We're the Slick Rick gang, not the Shane
Aiden
train.
took off to go text his little girlfriend.
Yeah. Oh, look, this is gonna be
Let's hope
rubbing.
his main one don't see this video.
Look, this is gonna be rubbing.
Right, Travis.
What?
Let's hope Caden's main girlfriend don't see this video.
That'd be alright.
Well, all that. I still got to shift it over.
Well,
And tighten the motor mount.
I got it. This car is new to us. Ratchet chassis, as they call it.
Came straight from Derek Reynolds' garage.
Yeah.
Go to the race.
Derek Reynolds.
Shout out to him.
Got a little stuff on her. We can grind that off.
We
Got her zip tied on.
Load it up and go to the races, huh?
Yeah, gotta load up and go to races. Alright, I guess that's all we're doing for tonight. I got the motor in. Tell him. What you gotta say, Danny?
His hands are blacker than black.
That's what he said. His hands are blacker than black. Whatever. Let's see them.
Wait. Yeah, wipe them off again.
Alright, well, today's Saturday night at like 12 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
No, it's like 11, 10.
10:07.
Alright,
Big
let's,
difference between 10 and midnight.
no.
Let's see. 10:07. What'd I tell you?
Alright,
I
well,
was dead on.
we're gonna wrap this up. Tomorrow will be Sunday. We're gonna work on another factory stock. His other factory stock, probably. Maybe.
And work on some mean stocks.
Yeah. I don't know when you're gonna get to see this video, but you'll see it soon. You'll see it when you see it. Nah, just kidding. I'll put it out tomorrow. Then I'll put Sunday's video out Monday. That's Slick Rick. This is Danny. And I'm
Signing
Bobby
out.
Joe. Like, subscribe, comment.
Let
So-
us know what else you want to see us do.
Yeah.
Record it
Yeah.
and tear up.
If you want to know how to cheat, I don't know what to tell you. You know, if you want to know how to run legal, we got all the legal stuff right here. I guess.
Alright.
I guess it's legal. I don't know if it really is.
It ain't cheating, it's just gray areas.
Slick
This
Rick's
gray area,
coffee
yeah.
cup here.
Yeah. See, look, gray area. Ain't that gray?
That's blue.
Oh. Yeah, I'm colorblind, but it's gray tonight.
Alright, cut it. Cut it.